What iFoam does is to carry out research into the digitalization of materials processing. We use a combination of artificial intelligence plus material modeling data to try and look at the effectiveness of the process. iFoam's role is to improve efficiency, and we can do so in many ways, either through identifying ways of improving energy efficiency in the process or reduce material usage, but also in taking that process and reducing the number of experimental steps required. Using our digital tools, some of our industrial partners have reduced the number of experiments by 90% in developing a new product line. So this is key to enhancing efficiency and sustainability.
Over the past few years, we've had great collaboration with iFoam's academic experts. I've also had the pleasure of acting as an industry supervisor over the last few years for PhD students. At Stryker, we very much look forward to working with iFoam Phase 2.
Being a part of iFoam open doors to exceptional opportunities like having access to industrial leaders and academia, broaden our networking and support us to be in the prestigious international conferences. Being part of iFoam allows me to see the technology that I've developed and translate it into industry, having a real impact.
Worldwide, there's a growing shortage of raw materials. The term used is critical raw materials, and by manufacturing more efficiently, we can reduce material wastage. We can use the materials that we have more efficiently such that the devices perform better, and that's a key role that iFoam performs.